This might be the easiest way to get perfect sweet potatoes. Crispy on the outside, soft and creamy inside. Trim off both ends so they don't burst. Let them dry for crispier skin. Air fry at 390°F for 15 minutes. The skin starts to shrink, with golden spot forming and caramelized edges. Flip. Same temperature, cook for another 20 minutes. Now you'll see bubbling at the ends and deeper caramelization. Drop into cold water for 15 seconds. This helps loosen the skin, adds better texture contrast, and prevent over-drying. Back to the air fryer, 390°F for 10 minutes. Flip again. Finish with another 15 minutes. They're ready when fork tender with a soft, creamy center. Sweet, rich, and impossible to stop eating. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.